Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this right here, which is kind of a cryotherapy pack that you can use for your knee, especially if you're going through like knee recovery. You know, the problem with ice packs is that they don't last really that long. And once they're done, you got to refreeze them. It's a huge pain. What we have here is the ability to actually get yourself a nice therapy session in by simply adding water up to the fill line along with some just regular ice. And now you're ready to go, and this will actually insulate this and keep this going for up to 12 hours. So this is going to keep this going for a long period of time. They do provide you with this pump. Everything is in here is completely seal rated. So simply insert this into here so it's down below the water line. And then you're going to go ahead and close this up and zip it closed. And now you're ready to rock and roll. They do provide you with cord for absolute days, which is incredible. This is a huge cord. So that way if you need to like sit on a sofa and want to run this across the room, you can easily do that. I'm going to plug it in over here to get that thing kicked on. Now you've got power to your remote so that you have the ability to mess with that. And then you have this piece here. This is what it's going to pump everything through, this little nice soft pack. You've actually got a couple different sides. You've got a slick side here, and this is what's going to allow that cold water to transfer through to give you the therapy that you need. And this here is actually a Velcro strap that you can simply stick on here. And this is completely adjustable with this because you can kind of decide how it is that feels best comfortable for you to wrap this around your knee where you are needing therapy. And then this part can go up here and we can just simply tie it down wherever you're wanting to go. And once you get this thing completely strapped on where you're comfortable, this last little part will just latch on and it's ready to go. So real simple, nice long cord. It's all insulated, so it's going to keep the cold where it needs to be. You can either lay down or sit down. Then on here, you're going to simply turn this on. And I can already feel stuff moving through. Oh my gosh, that's getting cold. Holy cold. That is getting really cold through there. That is pumping the cold right through here. It has filled this thing up. I can hear it pushing the final bit of air out through there. And that is now cycling that through. But this is ice cold. Now on this thing here, you have your timer up to 30 minutes that it has a safety shut off that'll shut itself off. You also have the speed, low, medium, high, so you can adjust the speed, which will then make it to where it puts less water through there so it won't get as extreme, or you can crank it up to where it's constantly pushing that through there, adjusting the flow. You can adjust the timer on or off or power it down. But what this is going to allow you to do is basically sit down or lay down and be able to get the therapy that you need on your knee. And again, having that last for 12 hours, you're probably not going to want to have it on your leg for 12 hours, but you could even pull this off as you're watching TV, go on 30, then off 30, not having to constantly get up, not forgetting that you have to refreeze those ice packs and have this instant cold at the touch of a button.